In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a ChatGPT voice or text-to-speech audio file. This can be particularly useful if you want to have the content available in audio format, either for on-the-go listening or to share with others who might find it more accessible. So, let's dive right into it. First, open up your preferred web browser and go to Google. I'm sure you're familiar with this part, but it's essential that we start here. Once on the Google homepage, head over to the search bar and type in "Save the ChatGPT voice." This search aims to direct us to the extension that we'll be using to perform our goal today. As soon as the search results load, look for the result titled "Save the ChatGPT voice," Chrome Web Store, and click on it. This should take you directly to the Chrome Web Store page dedicated to the extension we need. Now, you should see a button on this page labeled Add to Chrome. Click on it and then confirm your action by selecting Add Extension from the pop-up window that appears. This will initiate the installation process for the extension, making it a tool we can easily use in our browser whenever we need to download audio from ChatGPT. Once the extension is successfully installed, we'll return to the ChatGPT platform. So, open Google again, type ChatGPT into the search box, and select the link that leads you directly to the ChatGPT website. It's important to ensure that you're logged into your ChatGPT account to proceed with the process smoothly. Now, navigate to the piece of text in ChatGPT that you're interested in saving as an audio file. Next to your selected text, look for a download button or an arrow pointing downwards. This is the button you need to click to initiate downloading the audio file. Make sure you have selected the correct segment of text because this is what will be converted into audio format. The download should start immediately. After the download completes, you can access it by clicking on the download icon commonly located in the upper right corner of your web browser. From there, simply play or transfer the audio file to any device you prefer, allowing you to listen to it at your convenience. This ability to download and save voice or text-to-speech files can be a real game changer for organizing and managing your digital content. And there you have it, a straightforward method to download ChatGPT voice or text-to-speech audio files. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.